Hello students, in this video we are going to understand the difference between line command and polyline command used in AutoCAD. So here students, I am first drawing here line. As you can see here, I have selected the line command from the tab and I have drawn here line. From line I am drawing this like that. Okay. Escape. Now I'm selecting here polyline. As you can see here, I'm drawing here polyline. I'm drawing the lines by using polyline command and entering here escape. Okay, so here see, when I select this line, see, individual line gets selected as you can see here. Okay, in case of line command, if we use the line command, individual lines will be selected like that. There will be no connection or nothing. No line is considered as a single line. This whole line is not considered as a single line when we use line command. And if we use polyline command, I'm selecting here polyline. As you can see here, the whole line has been selected when I click on the one of the line. As you can see here, this is the major difference, and I'm clicking on here. See, on left hand side I have used a line command, and when I select the line, one of the line, the only that particular line has been selected. And in case of polyline command, which I have used in the rightward side, see, once if I select one of the line, the whole line has been selected and it is continuous. This is a single combined line becomes. Okay, this is the major difference between this line command and polyline command. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.